Alright guys, so as for today goes, I guess we're kind of sort of in a bind. I can't get too in depth into a project because my drive shafts are supposed to be done this evening, and it's an hour-and-a-half drive to go get them, so I have to patiently sit here and wait while they're getting done because I have to be there to get them as soon as they're done for some reason. But on the meantime, while we're waiting, we're going to try to do something that ain't really going to, take that long. So we're going to head down to the car wash the dually up real nice and clean, and possibly go on a road trip down to pick up some drive shafts. As you can see, this pretty day has got everybody out. Looks like it might be Babe over there in the far bay, so I guess we'll have to go over there and wait on her to finish up. Alright guys, so as I told you, there was a possible trip in store for this video. Turns out they got the drive shafts done, and we are actually filling up right now as I speak to go pick them up. So we'll catch y'all when we get there. Alright guys, so we have successfully made it to Knoxville and picked up the drive shafts, and it's about 9:30. So we got about an hour-and-a-half drive home, and I'll catch y'all when we get there. Alright guys, as you can see, we have successfully made it back home with the drive shafts. I got them all touched up, redone. Got all new Spicer U-joints put in, upgraded for Ruby. Maybe he'll hold all of its power, hopefully. I guess we'll be able to find out for tomorrow for sure. But as far as that goes, it's a successful trip. It was a very rough ride all the way down there and back, but we should be good to go for now. Alright guys, so like I said, we've successfully made it back home in one piece. As for today, I know there wasn't much truck stuff involved. It was just, kind of like a trip that I took y'all along with us on. As far as tomorrow goes, I guess I know the lighting's bad, but as far as tomorrow goes, we're probably going to go ahead and install these drive shafts in Ruby, possibly put it on trailer, take it somewhere, do some test passes. But as far as that goes, like, subscribe, check back in tomorrow, and we'll see what else we can get into.